Nonlinear analysis in SOLIDWORKS Simulation provides 11 different material models, such as hyperelastic, plastic, and nonlinear elastic. These models can be used to accurately simulate many different types of materials, like ductile metals, composites, rubbers, or even nitinol. Here we have a pipe holder where the pipe is made of hyperelastic rubber and is put under huge deformation to fit into the clip. As the simulation runs, the nonlinear analysis calculates the large deformations and the associated stresses and strains applied to this pipe. Each model has a separate formula to accurately calculate the material types that they are connected to. The ability to accurately simulate part behavior based on advanced material models is critical to today's design engineer. This capability is possible using nonlinear analysis in SOLIDWORKS Simulation.